Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Productions here. It's been a while since I've been done one of these fire alarm unboxings. Um, I'm pretty excited for these. These are more modern devices. I'd say they're not vintage or anything, but yeah. So we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna start with this box. Okay. Not the best box opener. I don't even really know how this thing opens, to be completely honest. This came all the way from New Jersey. eBay, you don't want to worry about that. It is. Oh, this guy's a little crusty, but it is a 4WB. Am I correct? Yeah, 4WB. Sweet. Now I own one of these smoke detectors. I actually have never owned one of these. Okay, now this one I'm pretty excited for, because I know what this one is. Oh, whoops. It's a box in a box, what do you know? Put that there. Ooh, would you look at that? A system sensor PC2R LED. Mounting bracket included. Feels nice. Here are the terminals. And here's the actual device. Fire lettering in all 360-degree angles. Audio select. And model number PC2R LED. And ta-da, it's on. But yeah, that will complete this video. I almost said this will complete this test for some reason, but speaking of tests, I will be testing these soon. I don't know about this one, but I am working on a new system, so this will probably be in the next system test, which might not be until the fall, unfortunately, but I will be testing this guy soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.